Na parang, kung yung taong yun hindi ka nire-respeto, magpakita ka na ng respeto sa kanya para mahiya siya at respetuhin ka niya.
Pero meron talaga sa mundo yun. May talaga may pressure. Yung sabi, depende. May pressure yung gawa.
Kunin kita, magkano ka? Sa isang show.
Ay.
Isang kanta. May presyo ka.
Okay, John Michael.
Hi, good afternoon, guys. Hi. I'm John from kumagaw.com. Siguro yung sa writers muna, ask ko lang, was there like, because of course it's like an adult scene yung medyo nasa bar. Was that intended to be a little more wholesome because it's on public TV? Or, because of course in the real setting, siguro dapat parang nakahubad yung yung mga taong sumasayaw sa totoong mundo. And also, about their characters, were the artists already, the artists' names were already given to you prior to you writing the script? Or did you write the script first and then choose the characters?
Yeah, for the first question siguro, regarding it being realistic in a bar. Pretty Nia, pero the character din kasi of Nia is very principled. Kumbaga, she has boundaries as a dancer. So, it's real in the story in the sense that ganun siya, hanggang dun lang siya papayag. Mga ganun. So, we wanted to portray a character na although nandun siya sa mundong yun, kahit paano intact yung value system niya, yung principles that way. So, yun. Regarding the second question, which
the characters, were were the names given to you before you wrote it?
yes.
The names?
The names, of course,
The names meaning the
Yes.
the artista?
Yes.
Nasulat muna ang meron muna kaming kwento and then sino ang mga kapwedeng gaganap. So, nasulat muna talaga siya. Pero when of course, ginawa muna yung kwento and then when you presented it to management, so sino ang best na
Were they the first choice?
No. Kasi, pero they are the best.
yes.
They are the best choice, but they are not the first choice. I mean, sinagot naman nila to nung press ko. Pero they are the best choice.
Ano ba yung name dapat ni Gael dati?
Tristan ang name.
Tristan ba? Ano ba yung name niya dati? Tapos Tristan kasi nagamit na ng dance sa tanda.
But they are the best choice for the role.
And sir, sa directors po, since tatlo kayong directors dito, am I right, sir?
Dalawa lang sila.
No, I mean the whole show. Paano po yung ninyo? Of course, you have your own creative juices. You probably have, or probably want the whole creative part of it, the whole direction to be your say. Since tatlo kayo, sir, don't you have any, or do you just straight kayo sa script? You just follow it?
Well, in terms of technical, yes, may mga talagang, siyempre may kanya-kanyang style yun, may kanya-kanyang aspeto. And with the story naman, siyempre susundan namin yung latag ng script. But we make sure, if the three of us or kung sino man yung papasok, we make sure na kailangan magkaroon din ng fluidity in terms of style. So, kung ang question kung sino ang masusunod, it's always a collaboration kung ano yung mas dapat. Well, we may have different style to attack it, but at the end of the day, kailangan mapupuan and ma-discuss kung ano yung boundaries natin and how far would we go.
So you guys sync before you shoot the whole day?
Yes, we always have these pre-production meetings,
Okay.
and we both go to locations to discuss locations, and we have sets of feedback meetings with the script para lahat ng views makuha. So from there, at least ano na siya, malinis na yung
Okay.
so kasi weird din kasi tingnan pag magkaiba ang ano eh.
Yes.
Yun. So kailangan talaga yun yung naupuan palagi.
Just to add, no, so like I said earlier, I was lucky enough to see an earlier work ng Dinadina Creature at Dinadina. I've seen the style and the treatment na ginawa nila. It's actually really good. So for me, it's a matter of adding into it or making sure I'm consistent with what they've done. Kaya tama si Direk na kailangan may consistency, may fluidity. Kasi pag pinapalinis, suddenly may iba, parang ay, teka na, iba na yung director na ito, o sino ba itong gumagawa nito. So, kailangan medyo cohesive yung work for the entire teleserye. So, and our meetings with the creatives and the crew themselves, they give feedback and we listen to them. We actually hear all the feedback. So, and we actually talk to each other, we collaborate.
Isang additional lang with Will. When Will came in and nag-usap kami, and then yung magsa-start na siya, may isa lang akong binigay na advice sa kanya. Sabi ko, don't second guess me. Huwag mong isipin ako na, uy, baka magugustuhan to, hindi. Just do your thing. Ayusin na lang natin kung ano-ano. Para at least, ang respeto as a director, nandun both. So, yun ang sinabi ko lang sa kanya. Don't second guess me na swak kaya to sa